Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like pick a card. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can choose the pile, skip to the timestamp and watch that reading, guys. Don't miss on that reading, Gemini, because it's going to be a very detailed love reading. So let's see what are the cards for your daily energies. It's 10 of swords, 8 of swords in reverse and king of wands in reverse. So for your daily energies, Gemini, this may be in your situation today, in your career or in your personal life. You may feel that certain situations are uncontrollable, how things are going. You feel that you are not able to do anything today. Maybe some arguments or some misunderstandings in your situations, or it may be too much responsibility or burden that you cannot take it anymore. You just want to run away from the situation today. You feel really stressed because of that, and some kind of misfortune may come about today, guys, in your career situation. Something stressing you, that is what I see here, guys. So some kind of stressful situation, some troubles are there in your situation today. And maybe for some of you, there is something unexpected happening today. Maybe somebody you are close to, your relative or your friend, someone leaving you all of a sudden. That may also happen. That may also be stressing you for some of you. Or it may be some situation, some circumstance very unexpected that has come about. That is also what I see. And for some of you, you may have people who have great concern on you, friends or family or this person, who want to suggest you something, give you counsel on some decisions or something you need to do, but you are not taking up that advice. You don't want to listen to them. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini. So for your love reading, guys, stay tuned to that reading. It's going to be a very detailed reading. Don't miss on that reading, guys. That is coming up right now, Gemini. This is the first deck and this is the second deck. So whichever pile you want to watch, we'll be just picking one card, guys, because one card readings will be very accurate. So we'll be picking one card from this deck and then one card from this deck, and I'll be giving the timestamp in the description. You can watch that reading, guys. You can skip to the timestamp and watch that reading, whichever pile you choose. So let's start with the first deck. So the card for y'all from this deck, guys, this is the card. So this is a Rumi deck, guys. So it is based on poet Rumi's poetry, and it has been roughly translated. I will be reading a part of the poem that goes with this card, guys, with this reading. So let us see what is the card for y'all, guys, for those who have chosen this Rumi deck. Celestial Rose of Ma. So with this card, guys, the energy for y'all in your relationship or in this connection, this is what you may feel about this person or what they may feel about you, guys. So today you may feel that a precious gift has been offered to you guys, and you are moving beyond those self-imposed limits you have for yourself, and you are thinking those thoughts you have never thought before. You are simply moved by how this connection is going, by that sacredness in this connection, and by that ecstasy you feel in this relationship, and that seductive caress of your person, and you are simply opening up, surrendering to their love and to what you feel about yourself and about this connection, that intensity. You are simply flourishing and thriving in this connection, guys. That is what I see. And it also, this card also signifies end of suffering, guys. Maybe there are certain things that you may feel that you will be struggling to get over. So those may be the thorns that are in this rose. So that is the point where you may stumble. So your thorn may be your past, something you are not refusing, sorry guys, something you are refusing to give up, your past, or some fear that if you grow happy and vibrant, there may be people who are jealous of you, and you may feel you may be afraid that they will leave you alone because of the way you are, because of your happiness, and you are afraid that sometimes certain unwanted things may take place. So all those are your thorns, and you have been suffering for a long time. So this is the time you need to let it go and allow your heart to heal. So when you heal yourself of all this hurt and all this suffering, whatever you had, that what is tarnishing your heart, you will allow yourself to grow more stronger, and you will be open in this connection, free from that expectation, and you will have that curiosity and reverence in this connection, guys, in this relationship. So that is what this card is about, guys. A very beautiful card and a beautiful meaning for it. So it is filled with love, that unconditional love towards this person, and it is the time you heal from your past hurt. It's the time to give love and receive love, and it's a time of healing, grace, receiving grace and beauty, guys. So if you are able to deal with the thorns, face them and release those thorns, the shred of guilt or shame, whatever you had, whatever was hurting you, those thorns have served their purpose, guys. Those thorns, that purpose has been completed. So now it is the time for you to just let go of that pain, whatever was stressing you so all along. So it's a time for release and receiving that beauty and grace and that love that is coming towards you. So that is what this card is about, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So let me read a few lines from this poetry that has been translated, guys, from the original. I think the original poem would have been in Urdu. So we will read a few lines and we will conclude the reading for this card. Then we will move on to the second deck. The taste of bitterness becomes sweetness in love. The searching in the dark finds the light of faith revealed in love. Love transforms thistles into jasmine. Love layers heaven and gives us with wings to soar into its mystery. Love transforms our every thought into a desire of the heart. O love, how divine is your luring. Beauty flows from your unseen face. Your very nature is radiant with joy. You manifest vibrant hues in every flower. Your touch dazzles all creation. Every particle is attracted toward you, longing to unite and dwell in you. Rumi. A very beautiful line here, guys. And also, an important thing here, for I love the rose, and so I love what is necessary for her to be. So I love the thorns too. So, maybe in this connection with this person, everyone has their positives and negatives. So in order to have that completeness in love, you should love their positive side as well as the negative side, guys. That is what this card is about. So let us start the reading with this deck, guys. We will keep this card aside. So I'll be picking one card from this deck, guys, for your love reading. It is Between Worlds. So with this card, guys, for your love energy, in this connection, maybe today, you are seeing transitions or some kind of transformation. You are unable to see what lies ahead, and this is a time for you to cultivate that curiosity and trust the process of change and growth that is happening right now. And you have learned your lessons based on your recent experiences. So what is essential right now is to admit that you are unable to see your future. So you need to you are right in between what was and what will be. This mystery, whatever is there in your situation, guys, you will not be able to come to a conclusion that things will go in a particular way. And also, guys, with this card, the energy is that maybe based on your past actions, your results are beginning to surface, and it will not be what you expect. So this card invites you to see your situation just like a child, seeing it with curiosity, just like how a child sees a rainbow for the first time. So when you do that, when you have that curious eyes in your situation, when you are just expecting what is going to come next, you will not be disappointed. So that is what this card is about, guys. And even in this connection, this is the time for you to explore that happiness and that energy, attraction and love you feel in this connection. And this is not a moment of certainty, it is rather a time for discovery and curiosity. So you don't yet know whether this relationship will last forever. So this is the time for you to just explore, be happy in your present situation, and see what is coming back to you, what is being reciprocated to you in this relationship. So through this relationship, you have to go for that learning, what you know about yourself, what you need. You have to watch yourself and that other person, what you like, what you both dislike, and what values are important to you. And you are in a very critical phase of your connection, guys. So this is the time you should not hurry up. So you should just enjoy this time right now with this person. And also you should be mindful of what you are expecting with this connection, guys. So this is not the time for guarantees. Things will not go as you have planned or as you have dictated for yourself. So you have to just wait and see what things are in store for you. When you do that, when you have that curiosity today, and you are without those expectations, things will change for the better. How to say this, it will be much better than what you expected for yourself. So how things unfold today for you in this connection. So that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading with this card. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.